Well, as the founder of the Beautiful Heart Foundation, I always believe that the beautiful heart is the one that should bind people together. We should look at other people based on their color, their religion, their economic standing, but we should treat other people based on the beauty of their heart. You know, I think that all men are born with beautiful hearts. That's a given. The reason why we have greedy hearts, the reason why we have corrupt hearts is because of the influence of society, because of the influence of people, you know. So in other words, but the innocent young baby or a newborn, to me, is born with a beautiful heart. But along the way, as we grow, we have our own set of experiences that tend to destroy that beautiful heart. But with the Beautiful Heart Foundation, we would advocate that we can still restore back the beauty of each heart within us. Yun ang ating pinapangarap na as we present the Beautiful Heart Show in public, makakahawa tayo doon sa mga pusong tumigas, mga pusong galit, mga pusong ganit, no? Na mabago man lang yun at ibalik yung kagandahan ng puso. No? So that's exactly the goal of the Beautiful Heart Foundation. That the Beautiful Heart Foundation will create men and women with beautiful hearts so that we will live in a beautiful place like this place that God has given us. So yun ang ating paparating sa ating mga manonood, and it is my pleasure again, and we are so blessed that you have with us today.
Yeah, and also,
And may God bless you.
I am so blessed that thank you for having me here, Doc. And thank you, guys.
Okay.